How to check liked comments on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the TikTok application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account on TikTok, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen and that will pop up the option of settings and privacy. So select on settings and privacy. As you do that, it will land us to settings, so you'll be able to see different options. So scroll down and tap on the option of activity center over here. As you tap on activity center, you'll be able to see the option of watch history. So here at the very top, you'll be able to see the option of watch history. So let's tap on it, and every comment that you have liked, you can simply see the post. You can tap on the particular post over here, and as you tap on the post, you'll be landing on the post over here. So simply tap on the comment section at the right side of the screen, and as you do that, you'll be able to see the liked comments over here. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.